What is going on, guys? Thank you guys for tuning in. Let's get straight into this watch list and just cue the intro. I've been getting dirty money. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out at least one video a week, giving you guys absolutely free content that's gonna help you guys, whether it's long term, short term, just in finance and everything like that. So with that being said, let's jump back to the video. What's up, guys? With that all being said and having everything done, and you guys have been seeing the market, you guys can obviously see that we gapped down this morning pretty badly. I mean, it wasn't great. Yesterday's huge sell-off, and then we came down in here, and then we had a huge day today, actually, and we're still pushing up here after hours. You can see we're in the 320 now, possibly going to break 321 here after hours, which is good for the market. Don't get me wrong, it's very good. I hope the market does keep continuing to go up for everybody that's a 401k. But what I'm looking for is I want to hear more news on the corona. And as much as I hate to tell you guys this, is I'm waiting for them to start they've already shut down California. The governor did of California. I'm really waiting for that next step for them to shut down Florida, Texas, New York, things that are bigger places that are going to happen. As we're here sitting here watching 321 is breaking. As you guys see, though, we are still in earnings season. Bank of America is the one that I got pulled up. They still do have earnings coming up. You can see that they hit a low this morning, came back up, didn't really do anything, but just kind of stayed flat during the day. That's 100% okay. But as you can see, they're not really climbing after hours with Apple. Roku staying flat here, which is pretty normal for after hours on Roku if you know them. SPY moves a lot after hours. You see Apple move quite a bit after hours. Amazon's another one that will move quite a bit after hours. And we're really just not seeing a whole lot of movement here, which is okay. But what you guys need to be looking for is how everything's working, what's going on in the world right now. That is a big thing. Earnings, making sure that, because more than likely most of these companies are not going to have good earnings. But not only that, if things start closing back down, guys, businesses are going to have a lot of trouble, actually making money and doing things like that. So that's really what I'm looking for for the rest of this week, actually, to be honest with you. I'll make another video, of course, keeping you guys up to date every night like I always do here lately. But I want to make sure you guys understand that earnings still are a thing. We're pushing the 321 right now, or we're actually in the 321s, mid 321. But as that is said, there's a lot of things that are still to happen, guys. You guys still got to realize when everything closes down, guys, there's going to be a lot of panic again in the world. We're going to have months of it, guys. Once everything gets back to normal, you guys will see me quit day trading near as much. I'll day trade, of course, just to make my little chunks of money that I do every morning, but I will be mainly swing trading again. I can't swing trade. If you guys are trying to swing trade and you guys are new here, don't be trying to swing trade in this market. It's not near as profitable. It's not as easy right now. When the market is back to normal and everything's back to its normal self, it's 100% fine to come in and be able to day trade or swing trade. But for right now, I would be learning day trading. And if you guys are just brand new, I would do not recommend jumping into this market. I would rather you guys learn how to swing trade and day trade. And when it comes down to it later in life, or when the market gets back to normal, then we will be able to actually have you guys start making money. It's a great time to learn, though, because the market is a lot more difficult here. I've seen a lot of good traders struggle during this market. I'm very blessed to have made a lot of money this year based off of COVID, and I'm still making money every day. You guys know about my Amazon play yesterday if you guys were one of my students. With that being said, guys, that is the watch list. Watch out for earnings. Make sure you guys are very aware that if Corona does break out, and because the numbers are going up, and if states start closing back down, that is going to have a downplay on this market. So with that being said, guys, thank you guys all for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys all tomorrow in the live stream if you're my students. If not, leave a comment, guys, and I will get back to you always.